So just a quick video. I don't have a lot of battery power in my camera today, so we've been doing a bit of work on this side of the Mustang. We've been getting this inner wheel well ready for putting the outer on and putting the quarter back on. We've been doing a little bit of work down here at the bottom of the sill, just in the corner here. Put a bit of Holden bonnet into it, which is good. I've been doing a little bit of work. I cleaned up along here last time I was playing, because we've got to do a little bit of work. That gutter's got to come off. It's coming along pretty good. Not a lot's happened to the front. It's looking more like a car now, I guess. And last time I was playing, I got ready, this section here ready, all nice and cleaned up for us to put the rail on. There you go.